Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can create a wallet on Bitget Wallet. So let's get started. First of all, open your app store and you have to go to the search bar at the bottom right and then click on the search. Over there, you have to search for Bitget Wallet. After typing Bitget Wallet, just press search and multiple options will be displayed in front of you. You have to click on this, which is made by Bitkeep Global Inc., and just click on install. Once it's installed, it will be written open, so just click on open. Here, click on create wallet if you don't have any wallet, but if you do have a wallet, just click on import wallet. After clicking on create wallet, click on I agree and enter any pin code, whichever you want. You can even enter your fingerprint. After just type in any pin which you want to keep. For example, I'm typing this. There will be written, we are creating your wallet is now ready, and after a while you will be redirected to the home page of your Bitget wallet, and you can see that this is my Bitget wallet. So that was how you can create a wallet on Bitget wallet. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.